Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to unlock Saya's vision in Warframe. To unlock Saya's vision, you must first complete the questline called Saya's Vigil. After finishing this quest, travel to Cetus on Earth. Then open the game menu and fast travel to Konzu and Saya. This will automatically start a conversation with them. From the dialogue options, choose Cetus' vision. Next, follow the waypoint to the shrine and interact with it when you arrive. After a short dialogue, a menu will appear. Select Saya's vision and confirm by choosing Yes. The shrine defense quest will then begin. And that's how you unlock Saya's vision in Warframe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.